Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I've got a 2013 Harley Davidson Road Glide Custom that I want to show you. This bike comes with a 103 motor and a 6-speed transmission. It's got an upgraded exhaust with a set of Vance & Hines slip-ons. It's got smooth wire rims, new tire on the front. That's almost new. You still see some signs of the little knobs on there. Got a few little rock pecks here on the front fender. Not bad, just regular little signs of wear. You see a couple up here on the fairing as well. Road Glide comes with dual headlights. Got the big heavy duty oil cooler down here. Chrome cover on it. We upgraded the hand grips for you with a new set of Avons. Really comfortable grips. Comes with electronic cruise control, AM, FM, CD player, full instrumentation. This bike's got 8,285 miles on it. Comes with anti-lock brakes. Fire it off and let you listen to those Vance & Hines. Still got a good bit of meat on that rear tire as well. This bike runs out real nice. Got the Harley Davidson sculpted style windshield on it. Kind of moves there a little bit better. Side covers and bags look good. Rear fender looks good. See a little mark right here, and then right along the bottom edge here you can see a couple little spots there and here. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. This bike qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it would be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.